Do you have lots of followers?
Yeah, working with brands. No, I'm doing.
How many do you have? That was just 100% questions. The conversation will work and the girl will answer it, and then you get to the end and you ask for the number and she's like, what? But who are you? I don't know anything about you. Common conversational mistakes that have been pointed out to you today include?
Talking too quickly.
Yes. Being too many facts. Yeah, okay.
Cutting the other person while they're speaking.
Right, so clipping, so the person's almost finished what they said and then you jump in. Yeah, which encourages someone to do what?
Stop.
Yeah, just because it's shut up. Because that's what you do when you're arguing. You're trying to talk over them to shut them down. Even if your intention is to show them that you're really listening and you agree, if you keep clipping them, then they'll give up. Yeah, what else?
Asking too many questions.
Right. So, Disha, come over here. Let's have a little bad conversation, shall we? All right, I'll see if I can do all those bad things together. So, what have you been doing today?
I met my friends.
Oh, it's so cool having friends. It's great. Yeah. What are you doing in life at the moment?
I'm modeling.
What kind of model?
Like fashion.
Oh, what kind of fashion do you like?
Like just fashion.
And you're creating content as well. So is that like on Instagram or something, or
Instagram.
do you have lots of followers?
Yeah, working with brands. No, I'm doing.
How many do you have?
Can I breathe? I have 100.
You literally have 100, like right on the dot?
Yeah.
Oh, I got 6. One's my mum. And do you you're not from here, are you? Where are you from?
Kazakhstan.
Oh, where's Kazakhstan?
Under Russia.
No, what?
Under Russia and above China.
Exactly where? Like
Yeah.
kilometers?
It's like in the middle, like Central Asia.
But where exactly? Because,
Okay, here's Russia, here's Mongolia, here's China, here's Kyrgyzstan, here's Uzbekistan.
And what language do you speak in Kazakhstan?
Russian and Kazakh.
How old are you?
29.
All right, so that's bad.
I'm like, am I on interview?
All right, so I'm clipping. I'm asking, primarily I'm almost only asking questions. What does she know about me so far?
Nothing.
0. Yeah, she knows I'm weird and she doesn't want to see me again. Yes, that's all she knows. Right, so I haven't contributed anything to this conversation except annoyance. And let's do it like this, where I'll just ask questions, but I'll try and do it in a decent vibe, right? So what's the plan for you today?
I'm gonna create content.
Oh, what kind of content are you creating?
I'm gonna gather some models and shoot them, make some nice photos and videos.
Oh, right, is that your job or is it a hobby?
Hobby became a job.
Uh-huh. And what other hobbies do you have in life?
I do styling as well and creative direction.
Studying, I don't know what creative direction,
Styling.
what is that?
Like I work with brands and their product photography.
So you're a
So-
photographer or not?
No, I'm more like a director. I put in the team together and then we make it happen.
Oh, so you would say you're a kind of a creative person then?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what's good about this? Yeah, I'm like following the train of things. I'm asking questions that are relevant. Okay, what else? Delivery-wise?
Question really dependent on pretty much you said previously.
Yeah.
These are just random things here and there.
Yeah. And I'm speaking slowly. I'm not clipping. You know, my tonality's good. Right, so there's a lot of good things there, but the problem is it's still, that was just 100% questions. Right? So sometimes you can do that where the conversation will work and the girl will answer it, and then you get to the end and you ask for the number and she's like, what? But who are you? I don't know anything about you. And I'm relying on her to provide 100% of the content of the conversation. Right? So it's exhausting. It's an interrogation, even if it's done well. Right? So this is extremely common, especially in the first couple of minutes, where guys just machine gun out lots of questions. I don't know why, like hoping something's going to stick, or they don't want to talk about themselves, or they just think you just ask questions. Right? So this is a problem that we need to crack. And so we're going to practice now a really simple drill that's like in a tight little box where you've got not much room to move. And it literally is this. You ask a question, whatever answer she gives, you must make a comment. You cannot ask a second question. That's the rule of the game. Right? How was your day?
Awesome.
Mine was weird. Done. Do you have any dirty secrets?
I don't know.
I'm going to guess from the way you said that you do. That's a comment. Sure. Right? Someone asked Disha a question. Any question?
Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Me neither.
Okay. Cool. That's a comment. All right. Another one. Someone else? There's at least 97 different questions in the world.
Maybe close with your family.
Yes.
I am too, but it's hard because my family lives really far from me.
Okay. Cool. One more. Mansoor? Any question? Any of the many questions that exist?
What do you like doing?
I like dancing and singing.
I'm really bad at dancing myself, but I do love singing.
Okay, cool. All right, so you get the general idea. Now, there's kind of two basic modes of the comment. We can either comment about her or about us, right? So, for example, you did the one where you're like, asked about the family, and then you related back to you, all right? So instead, like, that's a totally fine thing to do, and there'll be times where that makes total sense. But if I asked her a really personal question, so what's something that you really want to do but you're a little bit scared about trying it?
Invest millions in millions of people.
Maybe you should start by investing millions in one person that's definitely going to make you lots of money.
Yeah.
For example, right? I'm commenting about the thing she's saying, as opposed to I could make it about me, and I said, oh, well, actually, you know, I'm an investor and I love investing in things and I'm an investor. This is a common problem with guys that if I do this on a date a number of times, I ask her a question and then I make it all about me, then I'm that guy, right? I'm just asking something in order to talk about myself. Now, most of you guys won't have that problem. That's more of an American thing. Yep. Yeah. Or the opposite, which is it's always only about her, which shows that I don't feel confident or I'm supplicating to her or I'm trying to please or be needy or whatever else, right? So you want some kind of balance of this where you make it about her, you make it about you. So when you're playing the drill, be aware of that. Don't always just relate it back to yourself, which is kind of an easier thing to do, as opposed to make a comment about what she actually said. So it shows her that you're listening to the thing that she actually said.
Hello gents, just made it back to Portugal from my trip to Australia, a bit jet lagged, but happy to be home. Hope you enjoyed today's video, which is a little excerpt of what goes on inside a Natural Lifestyles workshop. So as you would know, we do plenty of in-field work. We're out on the streets, approaching ladies and us giving you granular feedback on what's going on. And then we do these conversational workshops where we break down different strategies and frameworks to have excellent, sexy and seductive conversation with our team of lovely ladies. So if you'd like to join myself and the TNL team for our next workshop, it's coming up at the end of April. Spots are very limited. I think we have 3 spots left at this point. With myself and the TNL team, then you should click the link below for full informations. And right now, we're giving away a very limited number of free coaching calls where you can get on a call with Alex, talk about your current issues, and get a roadmap to make sure that 2024 is the year where you get this shit sorted. Get some dates. Get a girlfriend, have some fun. Life is short. So yeah, click the link below for that as well. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.